Jamaica is the land of my birth. I love my country. Rapper. Yeah man, up top something you see it. Blessings every time. They are Danvers Spinner. Take a look around the place and stumble upon a beauty, you know. Nice countryside vibes.
Yeah man, it's a several times you know.
Yeah.
I see it on the internet or on the TV.
Pretty.
Pretty man.
Me I tell you joke then, man.
Jamaica is quality.
Yes
In
man.
every angle.
True.
Every where.
True.
But I don't know why people just build it so negative.
Most naturally.
I don't know why Jamaica people build Jamaica so negative. And when you talk now, it's like them want beat you down.
True.
And why? Them know it's reality.
Most naturally.
Jamaica people should not live them kind of life, you know, man.
Roots, reality and culture joke then, you know.
Just about don't like me, you know. But enter the world, me tell them, enter the world find out, you know, and realize now. It's going too late and it's later now.
Blessings, Jamaica Yard Life 101. Yeah, stop by Robert Lightburn to drop off a few stuff, you know. It's a blessed day. I have to give thanks to life as usual, you know. Stay strong, one love. Class will be keeping in Danvers Pen this afternoon, so we're en route to the location. Yeah man, stay tuned. Jaja blessings every time.
Once it named Esquire, a large property.
I missed the panic. Any miss?
I missed the small. A man sure the man never.
Ocean ice. What is? Ice lick.
I want my,
I don't want
I want
to
company
my
name by
shirt.
them.
My shirt. You know what?
Hold on there. Yeah man, up top something you see it. Blessings every time. They are Danvers Spinner. Take a look around the place and stumble upon a beauty, you know. Nice countryside vibes. That's what I say. You want chill and villa vibes are the right place to forward. Yeah, why?
Don't fall along, my boy. Hey! Olha, meu boy!
It's brother at the easy, you know. Blessings, bro.
Listen, I'm miserable.
Yeah, man, love yard, yeah. It's a blessing. Don't want to slide, you know, because this thing is simple bad. But what I'm on dash more is it. Every day, man. Blessed day in the countryside, you know. Yo. Jamaica yard life. 101. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.
Miss.
You got town go buy a man truck and I hear some cook there on the left side.
Look on the wire.
This hour, and I'm on the right hand.
Man but any straight you buy, man but on the right a woman blows here. Check your shirt. Check your shirt.
We ask.
You know them button on the right.
And they don't know what they're buying.
Spend with you, you know. Class day today, you know. It's a blessing. Yes, bro. You know, only if I pay a chance up on our boat, you know. It's a blessing.
Brand new. What is name? Yang Ava. Ava. Good to have a bike. Good to have a bike.
Good to have one.
Say good to have a bike.
Nice, man. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned. I'll give you more of this scene later on in the next episode. Dan Vaspen, you know. Blessings, man. Stop by and take a look on the water. Blessings, Daddy. See you. Yeah. Jamaica Yard Life 101. Like, share, and subscribe. It's a blessing. Hey, the water pretty, you know, brother. A deep hole there, I said that all. The last time I come here, I come swim, I never know say, I saw it look at them, you know. It change up your fall. Ella, you're not supposed to can jump from here the same way. You can jump from here the same way. Because you're so deep, you know. What? Pardon, yes. That's so deep, man, bud. Dan Vaspen chill spot, you know. Nice and easy. Don't want to take a swim.
You wanna swim?
I rather say go out to keep. So I rode I said they walk